Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and I have a super exciting haul video for you guys. Perfect diary sent over some amazing goodies for me to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you all. I'm super excited to show you guys what they sent over. Perfect Diary is a brand that is really popular amongst Chinese Gen Z kids, which is really cool. I guess Gen Z, they're not really kids right now, but the Gen Z youth in China. And these products are supposed to be luxury items for a more affordable price. And the price point is kind of in between drugstore and high end. And the products do not disappoint. The packaging, so this is the palette that I use. The packaging is solid. This one is like a metal palette. Like, look at this. So cool. So I have a tutorial after the haul video of some of the things that they sent over to me. So this is one of the eyeshadow palettes they sent over. They sent over this huge eyeshadow collection. It's like this, and then you open it up and it pops open. Could you see that? This is beautiful. And then look at these eyeshadow palettes. So one of them came inside here, so I'm gonna come over here. Like, these are beautiful. I'm gonna put this box up for decor because it's just stunning. I actually did a collaboration with the Discovery Channel. They sent over a bunch of eyeshadow palettes that they did with them. So here is like the reindeer one, and there's like fur on the back that's a little bit textured, which is really cool. And this one came with a double-ended brush. But like, look at that. Let's go ahead and swatch some. I'll do this color ribbon. Oh, candy. Those are so soft. Like, do you see the shine on that? Like, look at those shades. The shimmer is insane. They sent over one with an adorable cat on it. This one is super cute. Oops, another brush fell out. This one's great for whoever likes neutral colors. So we got dried fish, rattan ball, silver vine. Like, these, oh my gosh, the formula on these is different than the palette I tried. These feel a lot softer. There, those on the bottom. Can you see? They're very shimmery there. This palette is really cool as well. This one is like a koi fish. Like, how pretty is that? I keep going. And I don't know if you can see from back there, this one has like a fish scale embossment to it. So let's do Burning Sky, fish scale, and glow. The sparkles are so pretty. The packaging alone is stunning. So there are those. Look at that. Like, duochrome. That's insane. Sorry, I'm gonna keep saying insane and oh my gosh this entire time. This is the eyeshadow that I used in the tutorial. So you're gonna have to watch the tutorial to see what I used or how that eyeshadow palette performed. They have these huge kits going on right now for the holidays, which is really neat. So there's this set as well. You open it up. These are not just like PR boxes. Look, like the sides light up. Oh, when you open it up. It comes with little reindeer, the deer eyeshadow palette. We've got, I think, a highlighter. This is the Stardust Diamond Highlighter palette. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, super shimmery. Let's put it on. Oh, that is like straight glitter. You see that there? It's like straight up glitter. And there's like a liquid lipstick. Ooh, it's like a red with like some sparkles in it. You probably can't see the sparkles from back there. Ooh, but that felt really, really nice as well. They have so many eyeshadow palettes with the Discovery channel. I'll just go through these quickly. They have a blue wolf one. They have a green alligator. A tiger. I'm trying not to open it so the stuff inside doesn't fall. A red panda. Ooh. Like all of these color stories are so pretty. This looks like a Bashan. Ooh, that one's really cool. And this is a panda. That one's really cool too. They sent over this lipstick set, and like the packaging on these is stunning. They're heavy duty and just like they feel like they're worth a lot of money. Like these are, like, look how bougie this looks. Perfect Diary ain't messing around. So I do have a coupon code with them as well. Like, look at this lipstick. It comes in like a bottle. I mean, a little like pleather bag. And it's this slim lipstick. Let's do a swatch. Like, that was so easy to glide on. That's foundation that I had on my face. They sent over a foundation. It's a little light, as you can see, but the coverage is really good. If you guys want to see these products in action, definitely check out the tutorial, which will be after this. If you want to see how to get this look, not the pale foundation part, but their foundation does feel really, really nice. And I'm excited to show you how all these products work out on the face. So continue watching if you want to see how that is. I am so overwhelmed with the amount of products that they sent me. All of these things are so cool. So today I'm going to be using the Perfect Diary, I don't know what this one's called, like this spacey rabbit palette. Like this, it's like a metal tin and the packaging is seriously so cool and the eyeshadows look so cool inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids here with an eyeshadow primer. Each palette, I noticed, has a huge mirror inside. It has like a film on it, so I'm gonna keep mine on there to keep the mirror nice, but each one has a huge mirror. And the palettes are pretty inexpensive. Like, they're, you know, a decent price for what you get. I'm gonna be using their concealer here. And this one is in the shade number B00, the Flawless Glaze Silky Touch Liquid Concealer. And I'm going to put that on my eyelids here. So it's a doe foot applicator. Pop that on. I'm just going to blend this out with a sponge. I'm really excited to test out their brushes as well. So they sent me this brush set here. I don't know what the name of it is, but they do have a little bit of a plasticky smell, but I let them air out and they do smell a lot better than they did the day that I opened them up. So I'm excited to test these out. Seems like a very nice variety of brushes. And then I'm also going to use, this is just the other side of the thing, this other brush set that they sent me as well, which is super pretty, and the brushes feel so soft. I'm going to go in with the color Rosette on this fluffy brush here. Oh, this one swatches nice, but it's like almost like a creamy consistency, and it's not getting picked up on the brush very well at all, if you can see. Going with the color Orion. Oh wow, this one's a lot better. Okay, that one was a dud. So this is the color Orion, and I'm putting this in the crease. The brush feels really, really soft, and these eyeshadows have like no fallout at all. I'm gonna go in with the E01 and the color Horsehead, which is a very interesting name. I guess it's supposed to be like stars, because they have Iris, Orion, Cat's Eye, Veil, Butterfly. I'm not sure what the theme of this. Oh, this brown isn't as dark as I thought. Has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I guess I'm going more neutral than I thought. But I'm just following like that bone right here, and I'm kind of winging it out a little bit. And this one has more fallout, it looks like. You guys know I'm really enjoying this technique where I take a Q-tip and then some eye makeup remover and I clean up the lid of my eye to get a really good cut crease. So I'm going to do that. Just take, this is the E21, and I'm going to take a little bit of that concealer again and put that on the back of my hand. And I'll use that as a base for some of these shimmers. Hopefully these are really, really nice. My boyfriend's in here with me, so I'm going to ask him which sparkly shade I should use in the palette.
Do those moons and things come off in it?
I don't know. Do you want me to try it?
Yeah, I want to see if they come off.
So here, I don't know if you can see. This one has moons on it. Oh, there. It has like moon sparkles. I don't even know if it's like, what kind of...
You can put it on.
I don't think that's safe for my eyeball. Like, it's an actual chunk. Like, it's an actual moon and a star. It's like a really chunky glitter. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Whoa. I saw it reflect in the light.
Yeah, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, oh no, I'm getting glitter all over me. Okay, what I might do, I'll go in with the color Cat's Eye, and then I'll go in with Veil on top. Yeah, I'll use this tiny little brush here, so I'll go in with Cat's Eye. I have to put this on with my finger. But I go in with my finger. Look at that.
Whoa.
It applies much better with the finger. Oh my gosh. Then I'll go in with Veil on top. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes off of camera and I'll be right back. I surprisingly kept this look pretty tame. I'm surprised. My battery is flashing at me. So let's go ahead and move into face products. I'm excited to try the High Coverage Long Wear Liquid Foundation. Down below, oh my gosh, this is the first time me opening it. Look at that bougie pump. Oh! This is a glass bottle too. Let's see how this... Oh, that looks really liquidy. And it came with a foundation brush. So this is their F11. I'm gonna try this out and see. And it's a pretty flat top brush. Oh, this might be a little light for me. Oh no. Oh no. It smells like soap a little bit. Way too light. I'm gonna have to like, oh no. Okay. Well, this is my fault for not getting the right shade, but it was hard to tell what would be the right shade. I've got their concealer, like I said, as well. I wonder what color this is, if this is closer to like my skin color. Oh yeah, this is a little bit closer to my skin color. This is more yellow. I'm gonna use that as a foundation. Oh no. This shade is definitely not my shade. It's way too light. I was blending hard. Like, this is not my shade, but I really do like the foundation. Like, the coverage is really, really nice. Oh, can you grab my mirror? It feels really, really nice on the skin, and the coverage seems really, really good. But the shade is not the right shade, and that's not like their fault or anything. But let's try the concealer, which is more of like a yellow undertone. So let's try this under the eyes. And I'm gonna blend this out with a sponge. Oh wow, this is really full coverage too. Oh no. I'm gonna have to fix this with bronzer and stuff, but the concealer is really, really nice. But the main attraction, like they are known for their powder. Like how cute, this is a Pom Pom Pudding powder and it's the Weightless Soft Velvet Blurring Powder. And like, look how cute that is. And then the powder puff. Oh, this powder puff is so soft. Oh my gosh. And then it has a lid. And there's the powder. Oh my goodness. Go in. There's like a little mesh mechanism inside, so I'm pushing. There's the powder. Ooh. It has a little bit of like a perfumey smell to it. Oh my gosh, this powder, wow, it like blurred everything out. Oh my gosh, I'm so oh, this is way too light for me. Wow. But thankfully I have a bronzing palette to show you. This is the Sculpting Glow Face Palette. Oh, it's got the little, oh, look how satisfying this is. This is gorgeous. Oops. So we're heavily gonna need to bronze. So let's use one of their face brushes, the F31, and let's go in with this bronzer shade here. I'm dipping and I'm diving. Kind of sticking to the foundation a little bit, but I don't think the bronzer is helping me too much. Oh, that's pretty. And then I'll use kind of like the same brush here for the highlight, which looks so pretty. So let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. They sent over like so many lipsticks and I had to unbox all of them and take them all out of wrappers, but like look how gorgeous these are. Like the packaging on these is stunning. They feel so heavy and like they just feel so luxurious and so fancy. They feel so nice. Oh yeah, these, I don't know if you can see, look at that checkered design. Can you look at that?
Oh, wow.
Feel how heavy these are.
Oh yeah, that's solid.
Oh, it's showing up kind of brighter on camera, but that is very comfortable. Oh my gosh, that looks so bright on camera. I look terrible. And look at these, like they come in a sleeve and then it looks like a super fancy pen. And then look at the lipstick. Oh, super bougie. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put like eyelashes on, mascara and all that stuff, and I'll be right back. All right, and here is the completed look. Like I said, the foundation is a little light for me, like too light for me, and it kind of messed up everything, but I put on eyelashes and I put some more of that brown on my lower lash line just to finish the look. But overall, I think this is super, super nice. And yeah, definitely check them out. All the links to everything and a coupon code will be linked down below. So thank you so much to Perfect Diary for sending me all of these goodies. Don't forget to check out their Black Friday sale. Leo just jumped on my lap. Say hello, Leo. Oh. Yeah, check out their sale while it's still going on. Let me know if you guys got anything from the sale or if you're going to get anything maybe later on. Oh, Leo's moving the camera. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day.